Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the procedure entry point not found dynamic link library error on Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. So first is you have to open the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here in this black window, you need to type this command sfc space / scan now. So try running the system file checker scan, hit enter. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. There is no specific duration for the process to be done. But all you have to do is you just need to wait for this until this is 100% successful. And once done, close this window. You will receive a message from here and then you have to close this. And anyway, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we need to open a web browser. So simply type here Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. Maximize this. In the search bar, type Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2013. Hit enter. And you'll find from the official website, download Visual C++ redistributable package. You also have here the Visual Studio 2013 Visual C++. Click on that. Now here you have to choose for the language. So just simply click on this drop down arrows. So I'm just going to choose English. But in your case, you can choose any of the language that you prefer. Click on download. Now here we need to download for the architecture of our Windows. Now on how we can know what is the architecture of our Windows, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on that. And here we need to simply look for the system type. So here we have the x64 based PC. So that means we are in a 64-bit PC. So you just need to simply look for the system type. And let's look for the x64, this one. Check this box, click on download. And the exe file or the setup file will be downloaded. Now we just have to wait in a while. Then click on it and close the browser. Click on. So in my case, I have already installed this in my Windows. That's why I have the option uninstall and repair. But in your case, you just have to simply click on the install button for the Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 redistributable package to be installed in your Windows. And after installed, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And that problem or error will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.